My topic is colonization of space. Like, should we colonize space or not? It is actually a different topic from all the topics by the people now. I'm a bit interested in astronomy, so I'm just going with this topic. I actually developed the interest in astronomy because of when I came to know whether aliens exist or not. So it's I came like I developed interest in that way, like when I saw the news, does aliens exist or not, what they are, like will they be friendly or will they harm us? So all these things made me interest in going that. So the question arises, should we colonize space or not? The first thing that comes is Mars, because now SpaceX, NASA, everyone is working on that. Like they're checking whether life exists over there or not, like it is suitable for humans to live over there or not. It has its own pros and cons. Like exploring is different and colonizing is different. Exploring is like we are on our earth and knowing about doing research of out of our planet, and it's like we are staying in our earth itself. But colonizing is going over there, settling over there, adapting the situations, I mean the environment, uh, doing research whether like we can live over there, is life exist or not. Like it is also shown in many movies nowadays, like many space movies coming. So it has its own pros and cons. Like the pros are, they say that it's like a backup plan. If like people believe that one day our earth is going to end and we need some other place to go and start our life over there. And the other point is we need some extra resources, like now the resources which are present on the on earth is not sufficient for the future generations. We need some extra resources. So it is also one of the point. And when we go to some other planet, it's like we are using we are like so advanced in technology, we are using everything. It is like more advanced, because going to some other planet, living over there is not that easy, not easy, like it is very difficult. And you don't know what happens when, like every situation is at one each second, you don't know what the situation over there. Like you need to be very focused, and you need to take quick decisions, or else like there is no guarantee of life. And the coming to the cons, like when we have a better place, like people are investing many money, like SpaceX example, it is like millions and millions of money. Instead of using that money for going to some other place, why don't we make our earth a better place, and make it like make a better place for future generations also, than going to somewhere else. When we have all the basic needs, I mean basic requirements like water, air, soil, and our food, over there it is like we are not totally exposed to that environment. We live in that like glass like caves and putting that oxygen mask. Now we are not only like, it is so suffocating to put mask, but if we are going over there, it's very difficult for us to wear those glass masks for oxygen. So I would like to conclude that it's not a good idea to go somewhere else, live over there, leaving our earth behind. With that, we need, like, we have to take some measures. Now we are taking, but it is not that sufficient for future generation to live here. But we need to take some measures, improve the condition of the earth. And like exploring is fine, but going to some other place, colonizing it, like settling over there, is not the right thing. Like
Yeah,
we have to make our earth a better place. That's it, sir.
yeah, exactly right, Pavitra, Jahnavi.